What's up, I'm TroubleChute. In this super quick guide, I've got a fully automated solution for you if you're getting Windows update errors or issues like these ones over here. Now, you're most likely to get error 8000, 4002, as well as a couple of other ones by previously using Windows update preventing scripts, optimization programs, etc., which is usually fine until you want to update, and sometimes running the tool again doesn't completely re-enable everything. Like for me, even after doing multiple troubleshooting steps, I'm still at a stage here where I'm unable to install Windows updates or download/update anything from the Microsoft Store app because of recurring errors, and I'm not even able to re-enable Windows Update inside of the services.msc program. For this, I've created a very simple script. It's a fully automatic script, which you'll find linked down below. This essentially undoes steps and fixes/re-enables the Windows Updater. If you've previously used the Windows Update Disabler, this privacy tool here, or even the Chris Titus Tech WinUtil, no matter what tool you use to disable or pause Windows updates, you should be able to get your system back to a state where Windows Update just works. All you need to do to run this script, which you can read the full source on my site or on GitHub, linked down below, is hit start, type in PowerShell, and then from Windows PowerShell, choose Run as Administrator or right-click and choose Run as Administrator here. Once you do, choose Yes, and a new window opens up. Inside of this, just simply type IEX space, and inside of brackets, IRM fix updates.tc.ht. Closing brackets, you'll find this down below, hit enter, and it'll automatically start running the script, which will first ask to run as admin if you're not already. Then it'll elevate itself even further using a tool called psexec, which is this one here, officially from Microsoft, so it can change some settings that you might not be able to. Just hit enter to install it to the default location, ctcht. You can always come here and delete this later on, doesn't really matter. So I'll hit enter, wait for this to finish, and then after it's downloaded and run this tool, it'll start up in a new window here. You'll just need to minimize the other ones for now, and we can watch it progress. So it'll attempt to re-enable different services, including the Windows Update service, restore some extra keys and settings, and eventually it'll ask you, this last part is from the Chris Titus Tech tool, if you'd like to run in normal mode or aggressive mode, which will take longer, but it should do more if this whole process fails. You can just hit enter to run in normal mode, otherwise type 1 and then hit enter to run in aggressive mode, which will take quite a bit longer, but should be better for stickier situations. I'll just hit enter here. You'll see it stop all of the different services. Then it'll try and actually fix up some of the Windows Update components/files, and this could take some time, especially if you chose the aggressive mode. After a few more steps, it'll finally ask you to restart your computer, which is fine. Press any key to close this, and then we can close any other windows if they're still open. And just like that, after a reboot, things should work properly, which I'll show you now. But if you try and run a Windows Update or install apps again, you'll come across the same errors as before. You need to restart first. So there we go. I've successfully restarted my PC. I'll open up Windows Update, and this time you should see that things work properly when we retry. And as you can see, things are successfully going through here. Not to mention the Microsoft Store as well. I forget how to get to updates here. Those are downloads. Yep, there you go. You can see things are updating happily here too, which also means if I open up the Xbox app, which has been complaining for some time, this should hopefully work well. So update, there you go. Once this updates, I should be able to use it as per usual. But yeah, that's how to fix your Windows Update if it's not working properly, most likely caused by different debloating/privacy optimizing tools. If you found this script useful, do make sure to click the thanks button down below. It took quite a bit of time to compile everything, but also a huge shout out to Chris Titus Tech for their tool and all their hard work in that, as the latter half of the script relies on that, as well as a couple of other small additions. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been TroubleChute, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.